Hi, today I will show how to make a simple snake game using ChatGPT and Python, so let's start. So we will give a basic prompt. Make a snake game, styled, modern, using Python language. Code generation will take some time, so we'll have to wait patiently. Let's add more function to record score and show at end of game and reset the game after 250 milliseconds game over message. We will give prompt add function to record score and reset the game after 250 millisecond after game over message. Code is generated, so just copy the code and paste it in code editor. Copy the code in any code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. You can use any code editor with capabilities for graphic processing. Save the file in a location that can be accessed easily and give a name to Python file. Run the code with preferred debugging option. Let the code run and start playing the game. You can see the score been recorded in terminal. This is the gameplay of the game. Play the game as much as wanted. I am really bad at this game, but still a very addictive game to play. Game can be played again and again due to auto reset function present in game.